it's Hannah with WTI, and let me show you why this is going to be your new favorite camping chair.
There's nothing more important than being comfortable when you are camping outside, hiking, or backpacking, and this chair has it all. It has padded armrests, a folding side table, a detachable insulated cooler, and it can hold up to 300 pounds. But it is also just so easy to set up. All you do is unfold it, and the cooler and the cup holder side table come right up. I love how this cooler is detachable, so you can very easily remove it from the chair, bring it inside, and fill it up with all of your favorite goodies to take with you. We recently got to go camping for a while, and I could not get the chair to myself. Everyone else kept stealing it, and they loved this cooler on the side that I had packed with snacks, and it is so, so convenient. I really love the folding side table as well. It has two different cup holder sizes, and it is so convenient when you're sitting around camping. Everyone gets to put their drink on the side table with you, and it really holds a lot. And this chair folds up super easily when you're ready to go, and it only weighs about 11 pounds, which is so convenient.
This chair has it all, and I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.